that question. Pag sinabi natin dismantle, there are two tracks, the vertical and the horizontal. So yung tinasabi natin na dismantling is the capacity of that guerrilla front to still inflict itong mga AOM, IPO. Yung AOM is arouse, organize, mobilize through United Front Building. And then yung iba naman, IPO, ito naman yung ideological, political, and organizational na ginahimo sa mga underground. So we have actually neutralized personalities according to the video, and ang pag-dismantle ng structure is really rendering them incapable or irrelevant na to conduct all of these other activities. So sa ngayon, as presented, we are now on a downtrend specific to the KR Panay. And then we are now looking at KR Negros kasi NCBS siya. Negros, Cebu, Bohol, Siquijor. For Siquijor, gamay na lang siya kasi wala na. Literally wala. Bohol, we had a hard time. But for our focused military operations and the CSP or community support programs, amon to doon nag-dismantle na ang mga, kumbaga na-neutralize natin like people's organization that are being infiltrated. So, ito yung mga galamay nila kasi wala namang ibang purpose ang mga guerrilla fronts is really logistical build-up, recruitment, and then terrorism financing to conduct atrocities and undermine government efforts for peace, security, and development. So sa ngayon, with the downward trend, specific to Negros, we are now actually series of encounters na nangyayari, and then remnants of the remnants pa ang mga nakatabo na subong. So with that, and in coordination with the JFLAT, ang point lang is that we can now declare SIPs or stable internal peace and security. But when we provide that status to local government, it does not mean nga wala na. Oo, kasi we are still worried about 4 items na ginaobra sa aton nga mga kaibigan sa kabila. Konsolidado, kinukonsolida, recovery, and expansion. Remember also that the National Democratic Revolution, as espoused by Joma Sison, is people's protracted war. We may win today. O, sige, hatag na natin. Kung ako pang NPA, hatag na natin sa ilang kay doon ang daog sila. But unless we now confront wide area operations, yung NDF portion, yung National Democratic Front or United Front Build-Up sa 16 or 12 sectors from labor up to lumpen. Lumpen mga kagaisan ng yung hindi may IP iba rin yun. But ang lumpen, ang youth, alam niyo ba kung isang sector ang youth? In school, out of school, working youth, and lumpen. Lumpen yung mga the dust of life, kung Vietnam War pa yung pinag-usapan, Miss Saigon, the dust of life, yung wala nang pakialam kung mabuhay sila o hindi. Yung mga lumpen yan, ino-organize din pala yan. Because kahit na bigyan mo lang ng 1,000 yan, they can kill, they can do atrocities. So, when we are worried of this at the wide area operations aspect, then we still have a lot to do. And it is good that we will not surrender the EO-70 just because they want to eliminate or disband or deactivate EO-70 NTF-ELCAP.